Hi, today I will share with you 5 small and easy business ideas you can start in the car industry. On Collectum, we give you valuable business tips and ideas to consider. If you're interested in business ideas and business concepts, make sure to subscribe right now. Let's start first with some general facts before diving right into the business ideas. It is estimated that there are 2 billion cars out there right now. With 8 billion people living on Earth in 2024, it is estimated roughly that every fourth person owns a car. In 2023, the average costs of running and operating a car was around $13,000. The average driver spends nearly $2,500 on a car insurance. Operating a car can be very expensive for its owners, but can be very lucrative for someone who holds a car service business. So our tip number 1, start a car maintenance service. There are 3 types of car service maintenance: routine maintenance, major maintenance and specialized maintenance. But know that this field is really competitive. Only in the US, 300,000 car mechanic businesses are operating. In 2024, the car maintenance and service business is expected to make around $135 billion. Meaning, if you do an average, a car service business makes around 500k a year. As we said, the market is very competitive, so you need a unique selling proposition. So, if I would be your consultant, I would say digitize some of your services. But which services do I mean by that? Provide your clients a clear price range before they bring the car to you. Enhancing transparency, especially in this field, can level up your customer loyalty base. Furthermore, I would recommend you work on your personal branding. Do not try to switch into corporate, because personal brands in the car service market makes your brand more relatable and more accountable. So on the pro side, I would say we have a high demand in the market and you can achieve outstanding results if you work on the right services, example giving, as I said, digitizing the transparency and building up a loyal customer base. And on the contrary, there is a high competition in the market, which makes it really difficult for you to stand out. And also you need in-depth mechanical and technical skills. But from my point of view, if you aim to go in this direction, starting with routine maintenance or with a job in the car service industry can be your first step towards your goal in that field. Let's come to our idea number 2, spare parts for cars. This idea can complement the first one because also here the market is really competitive. But you can differentiate you from your competitors by focusing on original parts for affordable prices. Most vendors sell low quality items for low prices. By reviewing multiple junkyards, we found out that their digital services are lacking. This can be a niche for you to enter and optimize it. So you can think about creating a platform only for junkyards where they can promote their personal brands and share and sell their items over your platform would be then original and for an affordable price. And with that, you won't be even in the competition of spare parts providers because you are only enhancing them to level up their sales channel. If you also can combine this service then with same-day delivery, let's say, you can have a huge advantage in the market. Just for you to understand, roughly there are around 7,000 junkyards in the US. And with little bit skill in digital solutions, you can level up your services over there. Let's come to number 3, starting a DMV service. Getting registered at the DMV can be very time consuming, as most of you know as well. Outsourcing this process for people who want to save time can be a very good option. Preferred services include new license plates, commercial plates, transfer plates, and registration renewals. An entry barrier would be that you need to get certified by the DMV. But once you understand the process, you can provide that service efficiently. Offering an easy, stress-free paperwork management can provide a very big value for your customers. To just get a better feel about the market and understand the service prices, you can call up just some DMV service providers and ask for quotes to get a better feel about the market. Let's come now to business idea number 4, car wrapping business. The car wrapping business has a compound annual growth rate of 20% until 2028. It is expected that their market size will reach 4.5 billion US dollars. Full car wraps costs between 2,000 and 4,000 US dollars, whilst if you want to use then specialized materials, you pay $10,000 also. The car vinyl wrap was developed back in 1920. But it really started to play a role in the 50s. And still, it was very expensive and only used by companies back then. Today, through all the innovation we had, everyone can nowadays wrap their car. But remember, in comparison to all the other business ideas we had so far in this video, wrapping your car is totally optional. This means that the demand can be very fluctuating. If I would start a car wrapping business, I would focus on business customers who want to promote their business. My suggested unique selling proposition would be work on modular wrapping. What I mean by that is you can then modify the wrap as you go. Because for business customers, their content and their products they want to promote are changing over time. So you ensure a constant income stream. If you can ensure a modular wrap which you can just adjust with small tweaks, you will ensure a loyal and returning customer base. Tip number 5. If you are thinking about to start a business in the car industry, think about CAD design, computer aided design. As a CAD engineer, you play a crucial role in the product development in the automotive industry. With in-depth skills, you can secure recurring projects, as CAD designers are not very common. Or better said, you will find hardly really good CAD designers. The key skill you must learn is not the design itself. You must be able to understand the requirements that the customer has to you, to work in a project team, to deliver a good quality of work and in the right time. You can earn CAD design nowadays everywhere, through a mechanical engineering degree or also through specialized online courses. But know that a degree can open doors for much larger projects. Those were 5 business ideas in the automotive industry we wanted to share with you. Which one do you think is worth pursuing? Do you also have other ideas? Share with us in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed our content, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Also follow us on every other social media page you will find linked in the description box down below. See you in the next one. Bye.